public comment outside public comment.
Yeah.
Okay, so agenda item number 11, we do limit our comments to 3 minutes. And do we have anybody online? Looks like, oh, we do. Okay. All right. So we're gonna have, if you can state your name, address if you'd like, and we always set a timer for 3 minutes. So as soon as we can hear from Ms. Corey M. Switzer.
Good morning, Chairman Whitman, Vice Chairman Subert, Commissioner Shin, and soon-to-be ex-clerk Harmon. My name is Mr. Corey Schweitzer. I am here today because Asotin County is failing to comply with the Washington State Public Records Act and is obstructing transparency in the matters of significant public concern. On January 7th, I submitted public records request PDR 2601, seeking communications regarding my formal complaint H-25-795, which is the Washington State Auditor's investigation into the misuse of public funds for Judge Brooks Burns' legal defense by Curtis Lidke and Lisa Weber, and the county's unlawful withholding of those records in PDR 25-23, that's Public Documents Request. The county's response has been legally insufficient. It failed to provide a requirement exemption log for the withheld records under RCW 42.56.213 Subdivision 3, propose an unreasonable 6-week production timeline for a very narrow request, and ignored prior violations, including still withholding an email of PDR 25-23, which is the representation of Judge Brooke Burns by Lidke and Weber before the Washington State Supreme Court under a false claim of attorney-client privilege. Additionally, this board has refused to place my complaint on a public meeting agenda, denying the public an opportunity to hear how county resources were authorized for a judge's personal legal defense. I demand by January 15th a detailed exemption log and the release of the withheld email from PDR 25-23. By January 17th, I expect Asotin County to produce a reasonable production timeline for PDR 26-01, not to exceed 2 weeks. And I demand confirmation that my complaint will be on this next meeting's agenda with the remote public comment permitted. Continued noncompliance will result in an immediate lawsuit under RCW 42-56-550 and a formal complaint to the state auditor for your obstruction. The public's right to know is not optional. I expect lawful compliance without further delay. Thank you.
Okay, let's see. I don't think we got anybody else online, do we? No. Yeah, I don't think we have anybody else in the audience right now either. All right. Let's see, where are we at here? We have media next. We've got some media online. No hand raised, correct? Nope, no hand raised. All right. All right. Let's see. Well, we've got, I think, we're almost right on time, too. We can take you guys want a 5-minute recess and go to executive session at 9:42 or whatever it is. Okay. This is going to be for personnel for RCW 4230.110.1G. Estimated time is going to be 30 minutes. We'll see what happens there. So thanks, everybody. Then we're going to have a budget work session at 11:30 because we have 2 execs back to back, and we'll resume the meeting then. Okay. Thanks, everybody. Yep.